Meet the Secretary General of the ancient light fresh fish soup, Nengi section, Lagos chapter. Hello everyone, today we're making light fresh fish soup. Look at this soup. Does it make you happy? Look at it, this fish. You like enjoyment? This is the soup for you. You like enjoyment, you are a foodie, you love fish, this is it. But for this fish, using it for soup, you need to be a connoisseur of fish. Yes, you need to have prowess in eating it, or else bone. All right, look at the fish. This fish is called bonga shad fish in English. It's called songu or sungu in the market. It's also called bonga fish. Yes, this is the popular bonga fish that doesn't need any advert. Yes, it is very, very nice, nutritive in my mom's voice. This fish is really nutritious. You eat everything. That means it contains a lot of calcium. You don't spare anything. All right, so this is our ofo. Ofo is a thickener. We use it for our soup. Look at our principal. Yes, Esam. This is Sam. You put it in quantum in the soup so that as you're taking every muscle of your swallow, the Esam accompanies it. It goes like escort. It glows with siren. This is our salt. We're not using all, just a little. Okay, what is Nigerian food? Nigerian soup without pepper. Even Nigerians, it is remaining for them to put it in conflicts. For us, we put it in conflicts. Okay, so this is onion and seasoning. Onion goes very well with fish. It is very, very good. All right, so we saw our palm oil, very important. You need it for color, you need it for taste. This is our fish. We're cleaning it, preparing it for our soup. And these are leaves, very good for the soup. It gives it one distinct taste. These are uziza leaves. So I've cleaned the fish, I've washed it, it is ready. Look at how it looks. Look at the head, it has been shaved, it has been cut, creamed. It wasn't creamed though, I'm just telling you. Okay, this is time we start to cook it. First of all, we'll steam it a bit, cook it so that we have taste. The fish is more tasty than it came. So we add our pepper. Of course, remember Nigerians and pepper. We add seasoning, especially for fish. You need pepper. We add onion for taste. Remember I told you onions go well with fish. Okay. This one, water. You need a little water. Then you move the pot left to right, right to left, left to right. Why are you doing this? So that the fish doesn't scatter at all. It is very, very important. So we cover this fish and allow it cook it for at least 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Now the whole house should be smelling, scenting so nice, delicious smell like pepper soup. Exactly, that is what we want. The whole house, your whole kitchen will be smelling. Anyone, wherever you are cooking it, will be smelling so nice. You would know that there's an heavenly celestial inside your pot. So these are washed uziza leaves, and then we wash them, we slice them thinly, preparing them for our soup. This is our pepper. Remember what I told you for Nigerians and pepper. It is very, very important in our cuisine. We need that extra kick. It keeps us very, very, very agile, energetic, and alive. Now, please do not do this. Do not slice your pepper with bare hands. Pepper, yes, do not slice it with bare hands because they are hot. I'm doing this because I'm used to it. Please use hand gloves or hold your pepper with a fork and then slice with a knife. Just my gentle, subtle warning. Please do not try this alone, except your hands are tough like mine and they can withstand the heat of the pepper. Then why not? Go ahead. Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for being here. This is Nengi of Nengi's Kitchen, and we are making light, fresh fish soup. Now, it is noteworthy to know that for this fish, you have to be careful so you don't have any problem with bones. But if you use it for stew, it is awesome. You chew everything becomes crunchy. We have started our soup. I just added water into the pot. I scooped out the fish. I did that off camera. Do it gently. Put the water add it to the stock, and then add your palm oil. Please do not use more than a spoon of palm oil. You either use half spoon or 1 spoon. Do not use more than a spoon. Where you use more is when you're cooking more quantity than this. Okay, so you allow it, bring it to a boil, and then you now add your chopped pepper. Now your pepper, you can blend it. You mustn't chop it like me. I like to see colors in my food. That's why I chopped it. So you add your onion, you stir and taste for salt. Remember, we already have salt in the seasoning, in the stock, but you taste it and see if you need to add salt. For this soup, you need to be careful. For your salt and seasoning, you have to check it so it doesn't empower the fish. You know, fish has a particular unique taste, especially this fresh one, so we don't want to overpower it, so we put little by little. Now we are adding our ofo. Remember, I told you ofo is a thickener in Nigeria. For our Nigerian cuisine, we have ofo, we have achi. Depending on the type we want to use, we have cocoyam. So for this, we're using ofo. Now there are different ways to use ofo. You can put it in the, sprinkle it into the soup like this, or you melt it in water, or you use palm oil. Anyone, just do anyone that is simple for you, and then enjoy, which is the most important. Allow it, bring it to a boil, and stir it. Ofo is a thickener, so it is prone to burning. If you're using a non-stick pot like this, there's no cause for alarm, but if not, check your soup often. Now I'm adding the sliced uziza leaves. Immediately these leaves go in. We don't want it to cook too much. These leaves are hard, so that's why I'm putting it now, but I don't want it to be too cooked, so you just be careful and check it. Now immediately after the leaves, you allow it simmer, boil for 2 minutes, then you add your boiled fish. Remember, you have boiled this fish before, so it's already cooked. The next thing that is coming now, please be very careful. If you're using this fish, do it gently, 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 gently. Stir it gently so you don't scatter your fish at all. Remember, if you scattered it, you would not enjoy this fish. You won't. And then please note that this type of soup is not what you put in your freezer. It's what you cook and you eat once, maximum twice. Yes, because of the fish. It's not what you put in your freezer and you now you're forcing it out to bring it out when it is frozen. No, 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 don't do that. It will scatter your fish. So it is a technical soup for technical eaters. For okay, Isam, that's the periwinkle just went in, and the soup is ready. Get your plate. It is time to enjoy. Guess what I enjoyed mine with? Of course, you don't have to guess for too long. I use Loi Loi, aka fufu. That's how I enjoyed my, and I will show you how I enjoyed it. I molded the fufu to my satisfaction. I rolled it like a ball and I enjoyed it. You can use anything you like to enjoy yours with. Just remember that the ultimate goal is to enjoy. Enjoyment is the key for this soup. Light, fresh fish soup. If you have watched this video till now, I say thank you very much. May God bless you lavishly. Have you liked this video? Have you liked it? Do you like this soup? Would you like to cook it? I'd like to have your feedback. Remember, you can use this fish to make your stew. Yes. And then you eat everything. Is edible. Everything from the beginning to the end. But for this soup, you have to be careful for the bones. Yes. Oh yeah, now it is time to enjoy. I want to wash my hands. Join me. Join me as I enjoy this light fresh fish soup. This my nutritious soup, my delicious soup. Remember, when you unwrap your Loi Loi, when you take, every morsel should be accompanied by periwinkle. It is the specialist cut to this soup, for this soup. So you should accompany it. So this first style I'm showing you now, this is not how to eat it. Look at it. It goes in and it comes out without Isam. Mba, no, 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 don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. So when you make it like this, you scoop plenty Isam. Yes, that's the joy. That's the joy of it. Look at it. Exactly like this. Oh yeah, oh, go and prepare your own. Go and prepare your own and enjoy. I'd like to have your feedback. Thank you so much for eating with me. Did you eat with me? Yes, you did. You did. You ate the virtual copy. All right, so thank you so much. Thank you for being here. Have a great week. Have a great month. Have a great year. Anytime you see this video, tell me something in the comment section. Oh yeah, now. Bye. Bye-bye. Be careful with the bones and enjoy yourself. Bye bye and see you soon.